Hey guys, Surgeon's Tech Tips. So I'm going to be showing you how to install Discord to your computer on Mac. So you can actually use the browser edition on here. So just go to the link in the description below. You're going to go to discord.com. Now what you can do is no, that's probably not going to work. You can go to discord.com. You can go in the description below, or you can just type it. So this is the Mac way to do it. When you go to this exact thing on Windows, it should say download for Windows 7 on up, or Windows, just download for Windows. You can also just open it in your browser, but in this case I'm going to be clicking download right here. So this is going to download. You can go ahead and close your browser once that's done. Okay, close it. Now you can go to your downloads and click on the DMG file. It's going to verify the file. It's going to check the volumes and finish. You're going to take the Discord logo and you're going to drag it to the applications folder. I did that completely wrong because it, for some reason, opened it. But you just drag it. I held it there. I hovered the thing too long over the applications folder, so it opened. But in that case, it's done. Now what you can do is you can eject the Discord download file, and you can take the download file and put it into the trash, and then empty the trash bin. Now what you want to do is you want to go to your Finder, Applications, find Discord, and in this case, I usually drag it on my bar, but that is how you install Discord to Mac OS. I will be doing a Windows updated version sooner or later around, along there. So it's going to install updates, and it's going to ask you to sign in. So if you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy this video, drop a dislike. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Also, comment down below what you guys want to see for future videos so I can release more videos. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.